Hey guys, Ogre Fab Works here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a relatively simple job. I just need to gouge off the welds that hold this pipe in. So the camera doesn't show it all that well, but it's a bit bent in the middle section there. And these two implements are on a different plane. This one's up a little higher, this one's down a little lower. And, the cost to replace the whole implement is a lot more than just gouging off the welds that hold it in. There's a weld on this side and that side. Luckily, there's not any weld on the inside. I mean, you could still get to it. It just makes it more challenging. So, here's the replacement section to put in there. But relatively straightforward job, just gouging, knock the pipe out, do some prep, and then the customer's going to go ahead and weld it back in. So, like I said, pretty straightforward, just gouging job, prep job, and I got the Hypertherm 85 here, probably run on 65 amps or something about there. So, let's do it.
Alright guys, I'm going to let this cool, but I wanted to show you, see that parting line? So that's what you're looking for as you're gouging, is trying to get that separation line all the way around. So I was able to get that here and leave pretty much the hole intact. You know, what's on the outside here is weld that I need to clean up. That bevel on the inside is the pipe, which I'm taking out anyway. So overall, the integrity of that hole is pretty much intact. So, like I said, I'm going to let that cool for a little bit, and then we'll hit it with the air hammer and try to knock it out the other side. And, if we got to take out pieces as we go, we'll do that. But with as hot as it's gotten, just gouging all that, it's expanded, which makes it harder, plus the metal's soft. So, but that's what you're looking for, separation line, and give her the beans. All right, let's keep going.
All right, guys, just like that, the hole's opened up, cleaned up, all prepped and ready to weld. So as you saw, I just kind of gouged it off, looked for the separation line, knock it with the air hammer, and go over it with a hard rock and a round stone. Just make sure she's good. It's a little bit of a tight fit, so I may have to open it up if they want it opened up, but should be good. All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Ogre Fab Works, servicing welding and line boring repairs for Michigan and Indiana. See you on the next one.